Welcome back to the vlog. So it's pretty early right now. I just woke up. I'm still so sleepy. It's so tempting just to go back to bed, but I know I need to get up and get moving. I got a package in though, so I'll show you guys that. And by the way, this closet, oh my god, it is so messy. Remember that time I organized it and I said I was gonna keep it like that? Well, this is what we're working with at the moment. I got an eye cream to try out and then a new bronzer. This is the one by Fenty. I'm really excited to try this. I've never tried any of their bronzers before. I always use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. It's like my fave, but I really wanted to try this. I've heard a lot of great things about it, so I'm really pumped about that and about this. I'll let you guys know like how this works out and how this like goes on. It's just so gloomy outside today. I need to water my plant. It's looking kind of sad, and it's because there's been like no sun and my plant thrives in the sun, and my poor plant, he needs some sunshine, and so do I. I'm getting my coffee and me, and today's agenda, I really want to try and work out, clean my closet, and I need to edit, I need to film. It's Monday and I'm trying to get back in the groove of things. So I'm gonna drink my coffee and do a little bit of stuff online. My voice, I feel like I sound like a man right now. Okay, well, I'm gonna go and get a little bit of stuff done. You guys, my friend Destiny just sent me the best video ever of her making guacamole, and I just thought that I needed to share this with you guys.
So you see, I already have this cut. Me and Ina, I just cut some jalapenos. Me and Ina make ours the
Wait.
same, so.
Fun fact, we both are obsessed with Ina Garten. So if you keep hearing her say Ina, that's why we're like so obsessed with her.
Anyway, but they'll have to do. Love McCormick's. McCormick sponsor me. Homemade guac.
Wow.
This is for the chef.
I'm not kidding you guys, Destiny literally kills me. So it's now later in the day. I still have yet to work out, which I need to do. But I put dinner on, so I'm just waiting for my dinner to get ready, and I decided I'm gonna watch a movie tonight. So we found all these like free movies on our TV with like our cable package that we had no idea about. So last night we watched She's the Man. Great movie. I died laughing. It's so funny. Like, I swear every time it just gets funnier. And tonight, I really want to watch John Tucker Must Die because that's one of my favorite movies like in the world. So I'm trying to convince Bo to watch it, and so we shall see about that. It's been so gloomy today and the sun just came out, so. It's the next morning. I'm just doing my makeup real quick. I'm getting ready to go out to work. I really need to make a grocery list today, and I've just been like doing stuff around the house, getting it all like straightened up and clean and organized. And yeah, I thought I'd vlog a little bit today. It's probably not gonna be much footage from today just because I do have to go to work in a bit. So I'm just heating up some lunch real quick. I just got my list all wrote down. I find it to be, that's the microwave. I find it to be so helpful, like writing everything out, because I'm one of those people that when I go to the grocery store and I see everything, like I just want it all. So if I stick to my list, it helps me to save money and just get what I actually need instead of a bunch of random things that I don't need. I'm gonna go eat real quick, finish getting ready, and do something with this hair. So I'm just about to head out and go to work. I put these little clips in my hair. I think they're so cute. And they're sparkly, so I just put like 2 of those and just like pulled my hair up for today because it is gonna be like raining and stuff, so I thought this would be a cute hairstyle for today. So I'm gonna go to work real quick and I'll see you guys when I get back. So I'm back home from work finally. I had a really good day today. We were quite busy, surprisingly. But Bo ordered us some sandwiches because we desperately need to go grocery shopping. So we got Jimmy John's, and we're trying to find something to watch on TV. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna eat the entire thing. I really am. So today I'm gonna get some grocery shopping done. I want to go get some cute like plants to put out on my porch area and by the front door. And then maybe grab some lunch somewhere. Just like a couple errands to run today. I haven't like really been out other than like work. So I hear the rain. It is storming right now. It just started like pouring. So I don't know what to wear. I wanted to like dress cute today and look normal for once instead of like being in sweats, which I'm always in the past like 3 months. So I'm just dressing up, but I don't know what to wear because I don't want to get soaking wet in the rain, but I feel like when it rains I don't want to look like cute. I want to be in my sweats, so that is a dilemma. So I'm gonna go do my makeup real quick, blow dry my hair, and take you guys with us. I'm gonna try out my new Fenty bronzer today. I'm so excited. Like, oh, look how pretty it looks. Let's see. This is it. How beautiful. So pretty, and I'm so excited to try it out, so I'll let you guys know how I like it. This is terrible lighting, but this is what I decided on for today. I just have on this cute little dress. It ties on the side, my white shoulder bag. I have on some Nike Air Force Ones, some thick chunky socks, and then I have a little anklet. And I just put on my Tiffany's necklace and my initial necklace, and I have on some gold hoops. So we're gonna go out real quick and run our errands. So we decided on pizza for lunch. It looks so good, but there's this terrible cloud up there that I'm hoping it doesn't rain on me. It looks bomb. So we just got done eating lunch. We're about to go to Whole Foods.
Wasn't that food?
It was pretty good. It was kind of a small pizza though. There was only like 6 slices, and that was like the only size too. But it was still pretty good. Oh, the sun just came out for like a second. Let me set you guys up here. I just got in the car. Wow, this is a terrible angle. You can't even see me. What about now? Okay, not much better. But we just got done grocery shopping. Just got back in the car. We're gonna go and get a coffee. I'm craving an iced coffee so bad right now. So that's what we're gonna go and do. We made a coffee stop. We just got an iced coffee with almond milk. And what'd you get?
Black coffee.
And it's starting to rain. We still have a few more places to go to, but oh, I feel like this is gonna fall up there. It's pretty good. We're back home from the grocery store. I got some flowers. How pretty. I got some white roses and they're so cute and they smell amazing. So I just put those there on my table. They look so cute. And then I went and picked up some Aperol because we're gonna make some Aperol spritz tonight, which I'm so excited about. And we're also gonna make tacos. I'm gonna do cauliflower tacos, but I've got the fridge all organized and stocked, looking good. So, also I picked this up. They didn't have the one that I wanted, so I got this one instead, and it looks really good. And I cannot wait to try this because it has oat milk in it. So, super pumped about that. So, my friend sent me a video of people like washing strawberries with like salt or something to see if there's any bugs. So I did it and I'm about to find out if there's any bugs in this. Let's see. So far I don't see anything at all.
Oh my god, what's that?
What?
I'm just joking.
Me and Bo just made some tacos. This is Bo's tacos, obviously. And I have cauliflower tacos and he has beef tacos. And then he made us some guac. And I made us some Aperol spritz, and we're gonna watch Monk, which is Bo's new show he's been watching. And I got these chips from Whole Foods. They're so good. I really like them, so it's a good tortilla chip. Good morning, guys. It's now the next morning. I'm just about to do a little bit of skincare and I'm just getting ready to go out. My friend Kayla's coming over today. She's moving and I'm so sad. So she's coming over and we're gonna go like grab brunch or something. I'm not gonna put on makeup or anything because there's just like no point. It's storming outside and I just don't feel like doing it. So I'm just gonna moisturize my face and stuff and wash it and finish just getting ready. My under eyes are so puffy this morning. Oh, I'm so tired, so I'm just trying to like get these under control. This is like the best little tool ever. Now I need to pick out which perfume I want to wear today. I think I want to go with either this one or maybe that one. Let's go with this one. Guys, we came and got acai bowls. It's so bomb.
Oh my god, so...
Caleb's, yours is huge compared to mine.
I know, that's why I gotta cover
side difference.
leftovers.
We came across this cute little, what would you call this? Plant plates.
Oh my god,
Look how pretty all these little succulents are. Makes my heart happy. Oh my god, I want this plant for my porch. I literally look like I'm 13. So Kayla just dropped me back off at home and I'm so sad because I had to say goodbye. But, you know, hopefully we'll get to see each other soon and obviously we're gonna FaceTime like every week, duh. So I'm so glad I got to see her though before she moved with the whole quarantine stuff. I wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to, so I'm very happy that I got to see her today. I'm gonna go ahead and start editing the vlog for you guys and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and don't forget to stay stellar. All right, bye guys.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.